Hey guys, welcome back to the Sports Republic. तीसरी टीम प्रीव्यू करने वाले हैं हम अपनी T20 वर्ल्ड कप के पहले इंग्लैंड की बात करने वाले हैं इस एपिसोड में हम इंग्लैंड आर द लूजिंग फाइनलिस्ट ऑफ द लास्ट ईयर almost won it but for Carlos Brathwaite's moment of madness, actually you can say, because Carlos Brathwaite वैसा हुआ नहीं ना, we didn't see Carlos Brathwaite like that again, so moment of madness ही बोल सकते हैं. They have built a very strong white ball cricket setup in that country now, and their whole approach जो है अब वो देख रहे हो हम लोग IPL में भी वो influence कर रही है, the likes of CSK and KKR वैसे खेल रहे हैं. So I have Vikas and Vignesh with me. Hi guys. And England का squad का pick देखते हैं पहले. They're in Group 1. Group 1 में England के साथ है Australia, South Africa, West Indies. The winners of Group A and the second and the runners up of Group B will complete the Group 1. पहला गेम है वेस्ट इंडीज के साथ दुबई में. दूसरा गेम इज द क्वालिफाइंग टीम फ्रॉम द बी ग्रुप. थर्ड गेम इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया. फोर्थ गेम इज द फर्स्ट क्वालिफाइंग टीम फ्रॉम ग्रुप ए सॉरी, एंड साउथ अफ्रीका एंड देयर ग्रुप फेज फेसिंग साउथ अफ्रीका इन शारजा. तो we'll just go through their team once, their squad. Pretty strong squad. We'll go through the batting. If you can see on the screen, you'll see the team. Batting wise, they have Jason Holder, they have Johnny Bairstow, they have Joss Butler, David Malan, Sam Billings, and 1/10 of a batsman, which is also the captain, who is called Eoin Morgan. All-rounders by Moeen Ali, Chris Woakes, and Living Livingston. He's categorized as an all-rounder, so we'll take him as an all-rounder. And David Willey. Bowlers में you have Chris Jordan, you have Mark Wood, you have Adil Rashid, Tom Curran, and you have Tymel Mintz. So देखते हैं भाई अभी कैसे हम लोग. So just to explain how we're going to preview this, we are going to be rating this England team on 4 parameters. One is their batting strength, the second is their bowling strength, तीसरा है उनका team balance, और चौथा है उनका captainship या leadership group, which is basically the team, the coach, all the entourage, all their team that supports, all the support stuff basically. Starting with England's batting, I'm just going to share some stats with you here as well before we go ahead and ask these guys what they think of that. Some records overall. England since 2016 World Cup have played 50 games. They've won 29 and lost 21, which is a success rate, a win rate of 58.56%. Batting first, their average score is 179 runs, win percentage of 58.82. Batting second is 159.43. Batting rate again, it's again win percentage 62.5. England में खेलते हैं, UAE में ये averages I am pretty sure won't hold that well. Their leading run scorer since the 2016 World Cup has been David Malan. David Malan's stats have been 30 innings, runs 1123 runs, average of 43.19, which is crazy. Strike rate is 139.33, which is almost close to, I can't believe he has that great a strike rate. But I mean, if he's playing in England, you can understand that. Highest score is 103, scored 1150s and 100. So guys, I'll go to Vignesh first. Vignesh, out of 10, how much do you want to give their batting, the rating? Yeah.
Right. As you rightly said, conditions being the major hindrance for England, in the sense that they had a great tournament in 2016 back in India. Yeah. Even then, there were flat conditions and wickets in India. Eight stroke makers as compared to what we have seen in UAE so far. Yeah. And the pitches are going to expectedly they are going to get worse. So looking at that, I see only 3 class batsmen over there, and they will be playing at the top of the order: Roy, Butler, and Bairstow. And the problem with England is they can't, if they play Malan, they can't seem to play Moeen Ali, and that is one of the biggest hindrances for their batting lineup I see. But just for the firepower in the names that I mentioned, I'm going with 7 for them.
विकास 7 थोड़ा सा लो लग रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि as you said कि मोइन अली ने खेला है अभी यूएई में. He was playing at number 3 for CSK predominantly, जब तक उथप्पा ने आके कुछ कमाल नहीं किया. But he's been playing there, so I don't think that is very difficult. I think it will be very difficult to leave Malan out, but I think मोइन अली तो खेलेगा यार मेरे हिसाब से at that number 3 position. विकास?
Yeah, for me, point was भी ना जैसे you were mentioning the whole score and everything.
Yeah.
जो इंग्लैंड में खेलते हैं एंड यूए में खेलते हैं, कंडीशंस थोड़ा मैटर करेगा, लेकिन मेरे को लगता है द क्वालिटी दैट दे ब्रिंग इन, फॉर मी 7 इज बिट लो. इफ द सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग इन एनी अदर प्लेस तो 8 जरूर मिलता, बट फॉर मी
Yeah.
इसको बैलेंस करने के लिए आई एम गोइंग विद 7.5 विद इंग्लैंड फॉर
Yeah.
बैटिंग, क्योंकि considering the condition as well.
Yeah.
But otherwise they are good players, like they are very class player. Once one of them gets going, you know, Bairstow kind of player.
Yeah.
Then you have Raw, you have Josh Butler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For me,
I
7.5.
also I am also tending towards. I have exact same thoughts as Vikas on this. I think अगर कहीं और होता है तो I would have given them 8. I'm just deducting that 7.5 because of UAE conditions. और हम लोगों ने एक चीज देखी है यार, ये आईपीएल में भी, your power plays are so important. If you have a great power play, then you essentially setting the match basically for yourself. There it's very difficult for the other team to come back. They have to have a equal. So इन लोग के जो opening batsmen है, जेसन रॉय हो गया, तेरा बटलर हो गया, बेस्टो हो गया, whoever they go and open with, ओवेन मॉर्गन नहीं, आई एम सॉरी, मोइन अली का भी हमने ये देखा है कि धोनी ने उसका ऐसा रोल डिफाइन किया है कि कम एंड हिट, यू नो. सो आई डोंट थिंक वहां पे भी बहुत ज्यादा ट्रांजिशन की प्रॉब्लम होगी. सो आई थिंक जस्ट उनकी ओपनिंग के लिए जो कि उनको अच्छा स्टार्ट दे सकती है. लियम लिविंगस्टन ने कुछ दिखाया नहीं आईपीएल में, यू नो, द 100 में ही वाज जस्ट स्मैशिंग इट हियर देयर एंड एवरीवेयर, बट here come the great bowlers, you know, all variety, bringing all the variety on difficult pitches. He failed. So yeah, that's why I'm not going 8 as well. I'm going 7.5 as well, guys. Vikas, bowling क्या rating?
Bowling के लिए rating, you know, I sort of Chris Jordan, Mark Wood, Adil Rashid, Tom Curran जैसे players है. Chris Wokes, I really rate him very high. I'm going with 7 actually. इसमें थोड़ा सा आदिल रशीद का थोड़ा सा पॉइंट है, मेरे को लगता है आदिल रशीद इज अ बेटर बॉलर देयर. उसके अलावा शायद थोड़ा सा बॉलिंग फायर, स्पिनिंग फायर थोड़ा सा कम है वहां पे. फॉर मी इट्स 7.
विनेश,
बॉलिंग में मतलब जितना विकास ने लैक ऑफ वैरायटी बोला, बट उन्होंने मतलब फिर भी मार्क्स अच्छे दिए, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. बट अब अगर आप देखो इंग्लैंड की पेस बॉलिंग अटैक जो है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम आदिल रशीद देयर इजंट अ वेरी स्किलफुल स्पिन ऑप्शन देयर, एंड आदिल रशीद आल्सो स्ट्रगल्ड इन द ओनली गेम दैट ही प्लेड. आई गेस ही प्लेड जस्ट अ सिंगल गेम.
Yeah, just a single game. Yeah.
Right. You have Jordan who has not been that effective, even though England rate him very highly. Tymal Mills might be an X factor, left arm angle, slow left arm thing. But considering their batting and considering the other teams that are going to play, I guess England's bowling will be their major weakness heading into the tournament. I'm going with a 6.5.
Okay, so before I come in, I just want to throw this to you कि सबने बोल दिया, पर I think Vignesh a little bit mentioned his name, which is Chris Jordan. He is the highest wicket taker since 2016 World Cup for England. Played 47 innings, took 55 wickets at an average of 26.69, strike rate of 18.31, and a very high economy rate of 8.75. So with that, guys, I am going at a 7.5, which is I think higher than both of you. The reasons for me are क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि उनकी बॉलिंग में there is variation in the sense कि Moeen Ali is a right arm spinner and the other guy Adil Rashid is a leg spinner, a wrist arm spinner basically. So you have that variety also of a finger spinner and a wrist arm spinner. और यार आदिल रशीद एक ही मैच मिला है, you can't judge. इंग्लैंड के लिए हमेशा अच्छा खेलता है, वो हमेशा अच्छा खेलता है इंग्लैंड के लिए. His record for England is very good. Other than that, Chris Wokes is a good bowler as well. हमने यहाँ देखा है जो hard length hit करते हैं, the likes of Josh Hazelwood also हमने देखा अभी in Sharjah. तो they were getting they were getting that help from the pitch की ऊपर नीचे हो रही थी. I think Chris Wokes can enjoy that sort of advantage on this pitch as well. Mark Wood is the X factor for me for England. 2019 के वर्ल्ड कप, you know, the 50 over वर्ल्ड कप में भी I think he was the X factor for England. That extra pace. I think that Lockie Ferguson जो हम लोग रेट करते हैं इतना ज्यादा KKR के लिए, I think he can play that role. So I'm going for a 7.5. I think it might be a little high, but I think we are underrating their bowling a little bit in my opinion. ठीक है भाई. टीम बैलेंस में क्या लगता है भाई, कैसा बैलेंस है इन लोग का? or do they bat deep enough? Do they have enough bowling options? Because
टीम बैलेंस इज समवेयर मेरे को लगता है कि इंग्लैंड थोड़ा सा मतलब दे हैव एन एज क्योंकि अगर लियाम लिविंगस्टन मोइन अली जैसा प्लेयर अगर खेलते हैं इफ दे गिव लाइक 2 ओवर्स एज वेल तो थोड़ा सा हेल्प करता है बॉलिंग में एंड बैटिंग में आई एग्री कि लियाम लिविंगस्टन ने किया नहीं है अभी तक मोइन अली ने रादर इज अ गुड प्लेयर अगेंस्ट स्पिन एज वेल लेकिन you bring that quality in the side and you get that belief from the player जो जिसने already prove करके रखा है eventually might be Liam Livingstone can be handy for England और batting अच्छी ही है top order Owen Morgan is a worry absolutely लेकिन उसके अलावा I think they have a very good team balance I think that's where they will try to win matches win some
moments.
5-6 overs 5-6 overs
yeah moments Vignesh agree to that
partly because the sort of culture they have built then their team is such that they respond to their captain's call and that makes them a very healthy team despite of limited lack of resources at stages people are mentioning that they might miss Ben Stokes and Jofra Archer which any team of any worth will definitely miss the quality this but apart from that, I guess the absence of Sam Curran is also a big worry for England. A guy coming in for Sam Curran is Tom Curran, who is neither a better bowler as compared to his younger brother.
For sure.
Definitely not a better batsman as compared to Sam Curran. So the absence of these three guys robs some of the sheen from England's team balance. The 6-7 are वापस वो जो the teams where they might struggle eventually, the 6 and 7 हमने IPL में भी देखा, not having a quality 6 and 7 either as a bowling backup option or a clean finish. I'm going with 7 over there.
Wow, 7, not even a 7.5.
Wow. If either of the three would have been present, it would have been easily skyrocketed to 8, 8.5. But since they are missing these three.
See, Jofra is, of course, a big miss for any team. I think he's one of the top 3 bowlers in the world. So, for sure, I think he's a big miss. But I also agree. I think Vikas के साथ पता नहीं आज मैं हर score पे agree क्यों कर रहा हूँ. But I am also going at at score of 8. I think they have good team balance. I think again, as Vignesh said, they built the culture कि वो आखिरी तक मारेंगे. They have players that bat. Jordan को अगर खिला लिया तो he can bat till he can also tonk it like if he comes at 8 or 9 or 10 or wherever he comes. Chris Woakes can bat. We should not forget Chris Woakes can bat actually. He can hit the big ones as well. So I think they have that balance in the sense Moeen Ali ने भी वो चीज add की है कि एक when you see all rounders in the team, Ben Stokes इतना miss हो भी सकता है obviously, but since we are playing in the UAE, एक spinner is more handy, a spinning all-rounder is more handy than a fast bowling all-rounder. तो मोइन अली उनके पास वो भी options हैं. They have hitters in, Butler को नीचे भेज सकते हैं जो आप बोल रहे थे कि नीचे hitter नहीं है. तो if they want to start with Roy and Bairstow and push Butler down the order, which they have tried before, that can also be a way they can go forward. So I think मेरे हिसाब से 8 है. Before going ahead, guys, there's this actually we can go ahead and rate the leadership group first and then I can share some stats with you. Leadership group पे विकास कितने देगा?
Leadership group is somewhere I think कि England वहाँ पर मैच जीत सकता है, वहाँ पर आगे जा सकता है ग्रुप स्टेज से सेमी से आगे, क्योंकि I think Owen Morgan अभी recently जो और UAE लेग में जो IPL का जो उसको पुश मिला, I think that will help him to how to use whatever resources they have, and definitely he has better resources than he had in KKR for sure.
No, I don't agree to that. KKR has better bowling resources than England.
KKR England has better batting resources than
but batting resources to individual hai na. It's not a team thing. Bowling resources is where the captain manages his team.
I think KKR, I think Owen Morgan थोड़ा सा confidence लेके आएगा, and that's where I think England will be वहाँ पर leadership में जीत सकता है, and for me it's 8 for leadership.
Okay, Vignesh, agree to that 8? Huge 8.
The only ranking where teams are scoring on my list, I guess, in all this previews is the leadership group.
Yeah, exactly. You're bringing your average by leadership, rating the leaders. बाकी सबको गाली दे दो.
Right. Right. Eoin Morgan, matlab, not just necessarily the captain of the team. We have seen that he has been a baggage actually for one of the finalists in the IPL. But even then, he's so well respected कि कहीं पे भी आपको वो क्या बोलते हैं resentment का you never hear a buzz about resentment when Morgan is around. He looks very calm, but he's a very very influential leader. And he knows the art of taking teams deep into a competition. We have seen that with T20 World Cup. We have seen with leading England to a maiden ODI World Cup win as well. So bringing in that experience, and you always draw that experience, right? When you look at a player like MS,
sure.
It will happen till the last ball. So Morgan does that for England. And he's a clear leader, and absolutely in absence of Ben Stokes, they might miss another natural leader as well. But they have wise guys and Butler, I believe. Butler and other folks as well. I'm going in with 8.5, knowing that the team is stable and they won't panic when things won't go their way.
Oh, you called my ratings huge, huh?
This is Burj Khalifa rating. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. No, I'm actually going with the 1 point less than Vignesh. Actually, I am a 0.5 less than Vikas, which is I'm going for a 7.5. Eoin Morgan, I don't think has similar resources in terms of managing his bowlers that he has in KKR, and they are individual leaders also. If you see, Varun Chakravarti को तो पीछे से bowling कराता है दिनेश कार्तिक कुछ बोल के. Vignesh can tell us what he says. We don't even know what that conversation is. But Eoin Morgan and Sunil Narine is a leader in himself. I think, और जो बोल रहा था कि there is no question about Morgan's leadership. First phase of the IPL, I think I was only questioning Morgan's leadership. So there is a tendency to actually confuse things and completely f that up, if I can say that in the short form. But even 2019 World Cup. अभी इतना ऐसे कैसे होता है यार कि किसी के बैट से लग के डिफ्लेक्ट होके चौका चला गया, वो उसके बाद ट्रेंट बोल जैसे फील्डर रोप पे स्टेप करके कैच ले रहे हैं. देन दैट एशेज सीरीज में जो जैक लीच का रन आउट मिस. I think England have had their share of luck as well in terms of leadership. I think they have run out of that now, and I think that is where their biggest issue will be. I think leadership will be their biggest issue, also because he will play. Okay, so I think if England have to put their best 11 forward, he's already making the team weak in terms of playing himself. Yeah, so I'm giving him a 7.5. With that, our average ratings for each of us comes to mine comes to 7.625. Vikas is the same 7.625, and Vignesh is going at a 7.25. Vignesh is being very strict. With that, the Sports Republic's ratings, average ratings for the England squad comes to a 7.5. हम लोगों ने 7.5 West Indies को भी rate किया था. So I think we are equally rating the teams, on an equal par. I think with India, these are the two strongest teams going into the competition. Guys, then just we'll finish off quickly their group stage games against West Indies, against Australia, and against South Africa is the big teams that they're playing. I'm just gonna put records in front of the screen. So these are records since the 2016 World Cup. कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ हम लोगों ने 6 मैचेस खेले हैं, 3 wins, 3 losses, win percentage of 50%. Chasing, they're winning 100% of the games versus Australia. Versus South Africa, 9 matches, 7 wins, 2 losses. So that's right through, and basically they are in their group as well. And West Indies, they've played 4 games, won 3 and lost 1, which is a win percentage of 75%. So they have a good win percentage, 50%, 77%, 75% is the win percentage against their 3 teams that they're playing. Let's simulate a little and see कि आगे जाते हैं या नहीं. Versus West Indies, because who's going to win?
England is going to win.
Australia?
Achha, you're asking me only, okay? Okay.
Yeah.
England is going to win.
Australia.
Yes.
South Africa?
England is going to win.
Vignesh, West Indies, Australia, South Africa.
Yeah. Same 3 for me. England will be dominating. I'm just suspectable that when they
7 point, इतनी कम rating दी है तुम लोगों ने. I agree what you're saying. Yeah, eventually they will face. Yeah, इनको कोई मिला नहीं. New Zealand जैसा luck नहीं मिला इन लोगों को. maybe इनके पास श्रीलंका आएगी. The fourth game that they play is the winner of the Group A, which is probably be Sri Lanka. I think that is going to be their biggest test. I think that is the game they can lose actually. I think going in. So let's see. I think for me also, they win. I think they lose against West Indies, and they win against Australia, they win against South Africa, they win against the winners from the B group, and Sri Lanka ke saath, going to be a dicey. So I think they're going to finish top of their table. I think you guys also, of course, with the predictions, you're saying they finish top of the table as well. Yeah, right, guys. Great chat. Wonderful previewing England with you guys, our former colonizers. So, and hope they lose every game, but let's see what happens. I hope we face England in the World Cup final and defeat them. I hope that. I really hope that. कोई एक team को मैं हराना चाहता हूँ, तो that is England. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. The Sports Republic is going to be the best channel in the world. No jokes. And please hit the like button as I said before. Like the video as I said before, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.